Well, the previous standards, there were 55 areas that was very much a tick list. But now we've got 5 key areas that have been a catalyst for positive change. They are there to inspire, challenge and support teachers in the lead up to the new curriculum and all the educational reform in Wales. One of the key elements that we've introduced is the asymmetric week. Let me explain what the asymmetric week is. We have extended the school day, Monday to Thursday, and then we have shortened the Friday for the children. So at Friday at 12:15, the children either go home or they are able to stay for free charge, at free costs, and have activities that are led by our support staff. We have used those afternoons then on week A for training and week B for staff to go home for their well-being. We have been able to engage with our partnership with Athrofa, the University of Wales Trinity St David's, and the staff have had seminars led by university lecturers, supporting them to learn about how to use research and professional inquiries within their practice. So all of our staff are now working collaboratively on closer to working practice inquiries. All of the staff are excited because now they are given the time to engage with the standards meaningfully. In Pembroke Community School, we have a culture within the school where teachers have developed their autonomy and teacher agency, which means that they take increased responsibility for their own professional learning and also the professional learning of others. Therefore, it is down to them to direct themselves as to when they might do some professional learning and also how they are going to do it. So collaboratively in year groups, they have identified things that they want to improve, and then they have also decided which strategies that they're going to use in order to gain the information that they need. So they have decided to look at choosing perhaps using lesson study, or they might do a walkthrough. They might have made visits to other schools or to other settings to inform them. They've also perhaps done some team teaching and to have supported one another. We've also used Hub and OneNote to record of all of our activity, so that we're able to see the strengths that staff have identified, and then more importantly the areas of development. And other staff have been able to see perhaps what another year group have done, which has prompted them to perhaps use that strategy. I got into teaching because I really enjoyed working with children. I have tremendous job satisfaction from supporting children, inspiring them and inspiring staff. I wanted to make a difference to children. It's also great fun. There's never a dull day. You're always laughing. You want to make a difference not only for the children but also to their families, to the communities, and at the end of the day you can go home knowing that you've made a difference to children's lives. Well, we're looking for people who are inspired and passionate, who have got a love of learning, and obviously who enjoy working with children, to get into teaching. It is a very challenging job. However, it's incredibly rewarding. You have tremendous job satisfaction. There's also lifelong career development if you're interested in moving up as well. If you're interested into getting into teaching, I would suggest to have a look at the ITE newly accredited providers and their courses. The teacher training is going to be very different now in the future, where schools like ourselves are in equal partnership with the universities, so that you would be coming to us for your training. You could start your training with us, and in our network we would see you through to for your 3 years for your training.